Hi, I'm Eve Exotic, and welcome to my tropical world.
Hey guys, today can we just talk about canna lilies for a few minutes? So these right here are some of my canna lilies that I planted last year. They're a year old. Purchased them just in a package like this. I picked these because they have nice green foliage, and I grow them mainly for the foliage and not the flowers, although they do have really beautiful flowers in the summer. I think this 4-pack was $10. The great thing about canna lilies is you can plant them, really they will come back year after year, and each plant multiplies by like 10. So if you're not careful, these things, they look sweet and innocent, but they will try to take over your garden. So today I bought these to show you. These are what they look like in bulb form, and supposedly these are also edible. I mean, I personally have zero desire to eat this thing, but you can eat the root. If you want to try that, you can comment below and let me know how that goes. And you can see it has a little bit of growth, especially right there, some good growth. So we're gonna plant it with that facing up, kind of the roots going down. If I wanted to, I could break this into maybe 2 pieces. Oh, ooh, here we go, look at this one. This is, when I see something like this, it's just so sexy when you pull it out. And voila. Anyway, I'm gonna plant these in a different spot, and I'm gonna show you what. Okay, so here we are. This is the spot where I'm gonna put these 4 canna lilies right here in a pretty straight row. I think this is facing under this tree east, so even think it's under a tree, it's facing east, it's gonna get a lot of shade. And canna lilies, they do say full sun on the package, but I think it just depends on where you are. If you live in a really hot summer climate, I think these need part shade. They thrive best in part shade. So I'm gonna go ahead and just with my hand shovel pretty horrible dirt. But that's the thing also about cannas that I found, is like they are not real picky about soil conditions. I grew them in West Texas in sandy soil. So I'm gonna plant this with this little node right here facing kind of up to help it find the sun. And then try to get a little bit of it on top. And then I'm gonna bring in compost to put on top, and then some mulch on top of that. And I think that even though it's May, so it's a little bit late to be planting these, like preferably these would already be planted in the end of February, March, depending on where you live, but here in Zone 8. So a little bit before the last frost. We'll see. It'll be fun.
Here, I'm just gonna quickly switch to doing a voiceover. So I'm gonna plant these bulbs about 4 inches apart, and I'm gonna plant them at about a depth of just about 1/4 inch, not very deep, just to where the soil is barely covering that little tip that's sticking out. Since it's so late in the year when I'm planting these, I think they'll start growing pretty quickly, and so I want them to be able to find the light very fast. After I get them all planted, I am going to water them in just a little bit, and then on top I'm going to add some oak leaves that I have mulched down and that have been composting maybe for a couple of months. And once I get the rest of the bed planted, I'll get some kind of hardwood mulch to put on top of everything. So I have some more space and some more plants that I want to put in here.
I wanted to wrap it up by showing you this little bed I have right here. See, are already blooming. So these get a little bit more morning sunlight and are a different variety. So they're a little bit lower to the ground, but they have these really beautiful orange flowers. Thanks for watching. Happy gardening.